Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer speaker for sounds in the Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 phone. For this we need a special brush with fairly flexible but springy bristles. For this we need isopropyl alcohol that is 100% pure to help us clean now, meaning it will reduce the dust and allow us to fully clean the holes of the buzzer without any problem, and then simply so that it evaporates and disappears from the phone, leaving no residue or any other additional substances behind. You can buy a specialized brush in a set on Allegro, Amazon and other stores, so you can find and purchase it easily. If you don't have a specialized brush, a toothbrush will do, as long as it has medium soft or soft bristles. Avoid hard bristles as they can scratch your phone. So that's quite important. The phone must be turned off. Once it's turned off, dampen the brush with alcohol. Make sure it's thoroughly wet. If you don't have a spray bottle, just dip it in alcohol. First, thoroughly wash your hands and the phone. Then, moving in one steady, continuous direction, carefully clean the surface. You should repeat this exact process 5 times for each individual hole. First in one direction, then in the other direction. 5 times for each hole, then do the same going up and down. 5 times in each direction. But make sure it's always in one direction, so that the dust comes out of the holes instead of being pushed further in. After cleaning, set the phone aside and leave it for 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate from the speaker, and only then can you turn the phone on and use it. It's very important to do this so you don't damage your phone, because there might still be some alcohol left inside. So really, please wait those 10 or 15 minutes and you'll have a completely evaporated and fully functional phone. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, a like, a subscription, and see you in the next video.